Hi, I'm Dan Krause. I'm an estate planning and elder law attorney in Wisconsin, and today I want to answer the question, can you change a power of attorney? But first, I want to invite you, if you have any estate planning or elder law related questions, please give us a call, 608-268-5751. So, can you change a power of attorney? Well, this is a question that we get asked all the time, and the answer is sometimes you can and sometimes you can't. You can change a power of attorney if you are competent and you are the one that created the power of attorney, then you can change it. You can change a power of attorney at any time. You can revoke a power of attorney, etc. There are some complications, though, that you should be aware of in changing a power of attorney. In Wisconsin, a power of attorney document, whether it's a copy of the actual document or the actual document itself, is good just about anywhere. A person that has been appointed a power of attorney can take that document into the bank, into your bank, or to a closing on your house and sign where you would normally be able to sign. And it will be accepted as long as the person who is accepting it doesn't have any reason to believe that it's not valid. That is where you may come into some problems, because if you've revoked the power of attorney but the person still has a copy of it, that copy of the power of attorney may be accepted uh, even though it shouldn't be, because it's been revoked. Now, the person that accepts that power of attorney is not liable to you for accepting that power of attorney, because they have no reason to believe that it has been revoked. So be careful about that. If you think you may want to change a power of attorney, you should perhaps not give your agent a copy of the power of attorney unless you want them to change or to use it. Also, another tip is, if you're going to change your power of attorney, hopefully you're in good standing with the power of attorney that you currently have, or maybe they've passed away. But you should try to get all copies of that document back, and also notify your bank that your power of attorney has changed. Notify any other financial institutions that you are changing your power of attorney, and that the current power of attorney, or the old one, is no longer good. As long as you've notified them, then they are then responsible if they accept the old power of attorney. Now, sometimes I get a question from someone who is the agent in a power of attorney. So another person gave them the power. Now they are doing the job of the power of attorney agent. And that agent wants to change the power of attorney to say, appoint someone else to be the power of attorney because they are tired of it, or they have moved away, or they're too far away, or they are just losing their own ability to be able to do this. And they, the agent, want to appoint a successor agent. No, 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 you cannot do that. The only person who can change the power of attorney is the one who created it. Now, if the person that created the power of attorney is no longer capable of doing that because they are incapacitated, that is a lost opportunity. Now, there's no changing that power of attorney. The only way that you can get rid of those, well, as an agent, you can always resign and say, I refuse to act. I'm not going to do this anymore. And then the person may be left high and dry. And the only option then is to get a guardianship. However, you should speak with an attorney, an estate planning attorney that is up on these things, before you go ahead and do something like that about your options. So that's a little bit about the question of, can you change a power of attorney? If you've got questions about these or any other estate planning or elder law related topics, please give us a call. Once again, the number is 608-268-5751.